Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys here. Wow, all are nice and beautiful. So friends, all of my vehicles are hand drive with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is Momentum Truk car here. Wow friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here this Momentum Truk car. This one is paste pink and yellow color combination. And there is a next one is V3 racing car. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this Momentum Truk car. See this one is yellow, red and white color combination car. And next one is a army mini jeep here. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this V3 racing car. See this one is very nice and colorful. There is a black, white and gray color combination. And there is a next one is high speed R17 bike. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this jeep. See this one is red and black color combination bike. And next one is a cartoony drum truck. Wow, so friends, let's go. Friends, I parked here beside this R17. This one is pink color, paste color and purple color combination drum truck. And next one is a mixer truck here. Wow, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this drum truck. See this one is black, yellow and red color combination mixer truck. And next one is big size army jeep here. Wow, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this mixer truck. See this one is green, black and white color combination army jeep. Here is the last one is very big size power backhoe. So friends, I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here beside this army jeep. See this one is black and yellow color combination power backhoe. So friends, all of my vehicles are serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.